One at a time, Rafe. Oh, did you dropped it? You're gonna pick it up and eat it? What are you doing, Rafe? Rafe. One at a time, please. Oh, okay. Rafe, if it's on the floor, you don't have to eat it. Or you can. Oh, you want to break that one in half? Was that one too big for you? You're just going to hide it? Okay. Don't forget the one that's on your leg still. Still got one on your leg. You see it? You see it on your leg? It's right there. Oh, where'd it go? Where's it going? It's hiding. Oh no, where's it going? You got. No, you don't need to eat that one. Okay. Well, there's one right there too. Are you gonna eat that one? Did you see that one, Rafe? Are you gonna eat that one too? No, you're gonna leave that one for Nico? Yeah, Nico can eat that one? Okay. Where did you get that? Rafe? Can I have that? Can I have your sucky? Can I see it? No? Can I see your sucky, please? Rafe Williams, sit away. Rafe. Can I please have your sucky? Rafe? Rafe. Give me that.